In 2008, Extreme Makeover Home Edition transformed Renee's home and salon in Maynard, Massachusetts. As part of the makeover, Freestyle Systems installed a Freestylist and a light platform into her new salon. 18 years later, both systems are still being used every day.
So Renee, you've had this system in here from Extreme Makeover for 18 years.
18 years.
And just 2 weeks ago you called me because you had to replace your blow dryer.
Yes.
Not the Freestyle, but the blow dryer.
The blow dryer. Lasted 18 years.
So, and you never had experienced the Freestylist before Extreme Makeover?
Never.
So can you give me a little bit of feedback
Yes.
on what you think?
So when I first walked in, I was in shock. It was modern. It was something that I've never seen before. And it was really exciting. And when they showed me how you pull down the dryer and it goes on and it shuts off. But the best thing is after a week after I started using it, it was so saved my shoulders, and because you're always repetition doing hair, and it was more enjoyable, and it was more efficient for me to get my clients done instead of putting it back and forth, and it's heavy. I was more efficient with work, and it actually saved me a lot on my shoulders. Mm-hmm. And I've been doing hair for a very long time.
Yeah.
And huge change, and stability of me being able to go longer during the day without having to rest, it was a big change in my life for sure.
Now, what do you think is the most important aspect of the Freestylist? You know, we have a weightless dryer, we got no cords on the floor, we got the efficiency of as soon as you need it, you just reach up and pull it down. What would you say is the number one feature?
Number one feature, I believe honestly, is the blow dryer coming down and then shutting off, so you can be quicker, change things out, you can just come quick off and shut. But the most important thing too I loved was the lighting, because I'm a colorist. Mm-hmm. That's big for me.
Yeah.
I always explain to my clients, this is what your hair is going to look like during the day. And it was really important because lighting is different in every way. And when I would be done with their hair, I could actually shut off the lights to show them what it would look like in a normal household. Everybody's light is different. And then especially at nighttime, when I'd show them my nighttime clients, I'd put it on to show them what it would look like during the day. It was a great way so that when they go out during the day the next day, that their hair color would be the same as what they left with. Yeah. I could show them. So for being a colorist, the lighting is so important. Mm-hmm. I think that's just as important as the hairdryer for me. You know, the true tones of the color, it shows everything as when they leave and they go home, they're going to see what they left with, and that's so important.
What would you tell people that just see the dryer hanging and think it's like a cord rewind? Because it's really hard to understand the value of the Freestyle unless you actually try it and use it.
Yes.
So what would you tell stylists that have never seen it or used it before?
What I would say is that it takes the tension off and that weight of the dryer away from you. Mm-hmm. So each time you go to blow dry someone's hair, it feels like very lightweight, it's on a cloud, right? You're just going with the motions, and you're not feeling tension of the blow dryer, the heaviness of the blow dryer. Mm-hmm. So it saves your shoulders. If you're going to be in the profession of hairstyling, it's a must. Mm-hmm. If you want to be in it for a long period of time, it's going to save you your shoulders, your arms, everything. I know that most hairdressers eventually have to get rotator cuff surgery, and because of the repetition, I believe it saved my shoulders for that reason, because it takes that tension and the weight away. So I've been doing this for over 30 years, and I don't have those problems, and I really believe it's because of the Freestyle system, for sure.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Daddy. My Zeus. Huh? We love having you here. So much fun. Aww. Yes, absolutely.